Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you so much for coming here to my YouTube channel to learn another new line dance. This one is called Park, and it's to the song Park by Tyler Hubbard, and it's choreographed by me. It is a low intermediate phrase dance, super easy phrases, and A-B, but I promise you, very, very easy. And I hope that if you're not a subscriber that you will subscribe and like and share and comment on the video. As you know, I do a lot of tutorials for everybody and very rarely choreograph myself because there are so many dances out there, so many choreographers. I decided it was time for me to do one, so I hope that you will do me the honor of sharing this and maybe getting people in your area to dance it and bring it up. That would be really cool. So thank you for that. Scully is making a little noise back here, but we're going to go ahead and get started with the tutorial. All right, it's a 2-wall line dance, and it starts like this. We have 1 and 2, cross rock, 3 and 4, and 5, forward, 6, half turn, 7, 8. So what we're doing once again is point and point, cross, rock, shuffle, quarter turn, walk, walk, walk. With counts again, we have a 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, and turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Second count of 8, you're going to stomp that right foot out. I'm going to turn my back to you so it's a little easier to see, even though we're doing it there. You're on your right foot, your left foot, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4 is a hitch. Drag it back, 5, holding 6 on the drag, and a lock shuffle back. I'm not going to travel because I may be off camera. Left, right, left. So that looks like this. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're initially at this, you're making noise. We're at this side, and it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull your left shoulder back a little, and that will set you up for that challenge to the back. All right, let's go back to the top. We have 2 counts of 8. You were right in my way, baby. 5, 6, 7. Here we go on a 1 and 2. A 3 and 4, turning 5, walking 6, 7, stomp the right, go stomp, heel, toe, heel, hitch, drag it back, locking 7 and 8. Now after 7 and 8, the third count of 8 is going to bring us back to 12 o'clock. So I've shuffled back, my weight is on my left, step forward on your right as you do a hitch with your left knee. 1 and you turn it, 2, stomp it out, 3. From here, couple of heels. 4 and 5, and a toe, 6. Following your right shoulder, a turning sailor step, back right, out left, and slightly forward right. Okay, 7 and 8 for that sailor. Remember, a sailor step, if you don't turn it, goes right, left, right. I'm going to do the same footwork, but following my right shoulder. So that count of 8 has just finished. We started after the lock step. We have step 2, down 3, 4, and 5, and 6, sailor 7, and 8. You're at 6 o'clock, which will be your new wall, and we have one more count of 8. But let's go back to the beginning. 6, 7, 8, a 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, shuffle 5, turning 6 and 7. Here's your stomp. 1, 2, a 3 and 4, drag it back. Lock it on a 7 and 8, step and brush. 2, down 3, switches, 4 and 5, and turn, 7 and 8. Now the next thing we're doing is stepping to the left, but I realize that I'm facing you, and that makes it very hard to learn. So I'm going to flip it so you can see it. All right, so we would have just done the sailor step from here, which will wait us on our right. I'm going to try not to step on your head. You're on the right, and we're doing a little step that the rhythm is like a Dorothy. 1, 2, and we're going to go slide, rock, recover, slide, step. Okay? So it goes 1, 2, and 3, step, 4. Your right foot is free for a pony step, 5 and 6, and a left coaster, 7 and 8. And for my newer dancers, a pony step is a little triplet and your weight goes down on the accent, down, little switch. So right, left, right. The coaster is the same rhythm, back, together, forward. So that's your 5 and 6 and your 7 and 8. Do that with me from the back, top of that 8. We have 1, 2, and 3, 4. Pony step, coaster step, and start. Now remember though, the first time you do it, it's facing here, so I'm going to do it once at this wall. 6, 7, 8. You go left, right, left, slide, step on the left, pony on the right, coaster on the left, 1. And you start the dance again. That is part A, and we're going to do part A twice. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have a 1 and 2, cross, 3 and 4, shuffle, turn, 6, 7, stomp it out with a 1, 2, a 3 and 4, back, 5, 6, lock, 7 and 8. You go 1, 2, stomp to switches, 4 and 5, point, 6, turn, 7, drag left, 1, 2, and dragon step, pony back, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, a 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, a 3 and 4, take it back, 6, lock, 7 and 8, step, brush, 2, you come back to where you started, 4 and 5, 6, 12 o'clock, which will be your new wall, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now, part A is, the whole dance map is really easy. Part B is only 16 counts. It's extremely easy, I promise. And the way the dance goes, it's really easy to follow because you do part A, which is 32 counts, twice. So you go A, A, and then you do B once. And that's the pattern. So it'll go A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A. Ta-da! So it's not too hard. Let me show you part B. Now the first time you start part B, you're going to be here, because that's where you finished, right? You'll be doing your third wall. But I'm going to start it facing you so you can see it better, because you turn right away. So you would have just finished your coaster step on your left foot. Part B follows the left shoulder, 2 quarter turns with counterclockwise hip rolls. So I go right, left, left. Don't over-rotate this one, and follow your right foot and go on the diagonal back with a slide. And I kind of like to drag my arms open, out and touch. Same on the left, out and touch. Try that with me. Hip roll goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more count of 8. Stay on the diagonal, little side chasse. 1 and 2. Step on that diagonal on the left foot. 3, hold 4. And then you're just going to walk around, coming all the way around, 4 steps, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you start the dance again. Now again, the first time we do that, we're here, so that we'll finish at that wall, okay? But we'll do it once at this wall. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. You roll it 1, 2, 3, 4. You go right together, left together. Chasse out, step and hold. And you walk all the way around and start again, or start again, okay? So that's how we do it. I hope you like it. It's very, I think that the dance map is super easy to follow. So we're gonna play some music and see if we can get it together, okay? Let's do it. Here we go. Part A is twice. Part B is always the chorus.
I got a souped up ride and I really wanna ride you around.
Really easy to hear it.
And this time of night there ain't no red lights out.
Here we go,
Got a good long stretch of road. See how fast this thing will go. Got a short right side looking mighty fine right now. I can tell you from this Harvard Hollywood. Walking out 700 horses under the hood. But I can't hold you at this high speed. And you look good in that side seat. While we making these tires screaming this so cold.
Here we go. always to the chorus. It's always to the when he's singing Park. So it's really easy to hear, very consistent through the whole thing. I really hope that you like it, and I'm so happy that you came to take a look. Thank you so much for being a supporter. Scully and I send lots of love to you out wherever you are, and I hope to hear from you, and I really hope to see you on the dance floor. And if you're in Los Angeles, make sure you look me up, okay? Take care, everybody.